Hi everyone, today we will review how to play when the Saints are go marching in. First, we're going to learn how to play the right hand. So again, keep your hand shaped very well and then use your fingertips. And now find the C, middle C, that's right next to the two black keys. And then one finger on one key. So next one is E, next one is F, and then G. So it's C, E, F, G. And then we're going to do it 3 times. And the third time, we're going to skip down to E, and then skip down to C, and then coming back to E, and end on a D. Okay, so from the beginning, it's 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 4, 1. Okay, and the second half, it goes like this, starting from the middle. So notice I still haven't changed my position. So your middle finger should be on E. 2, 3. So E, D, C going down first, and then skip up, and then skip up. So we're skipping one note and go to the next note. And start on E again, this time going up, and then coming back down. Okay, so the second half goes like this. So now we're going to switch to left hand. So my right hand is starting on this C, my left hand is starting on this C that's 1 octave lower. Octave meaning 8 notes lower. Okay, so also on a C. And then I'm going to place my thumb on this G. Okay? And then we're going to do this pattern of. So you see that I do C and G together, and I'm going to stretch my left hand up just by 1 note on my thumb, and then my pinky stays the same. So, and again, and coming back. So basically I will be using, and then twice. Okay, and then with left hand. So because this piece is very happy, so we're going to do staccato, which meaning jumping. And then now the last group, we're going to use F and G together. So keep your hand like a C, and then doing this. So 3 short ones and 1 long ones. So now I am going to play together the beginning with both hands. Then left hand coming. One more time. Coming. And now the C, remember? Okay, and then. Okay, hope you enjoy.